What up, YouTube? We got ourselves a birthday ride. My little nephew Ian, he just turned 15 and he just learned how to seat stand. Life is short, it's crazy. If you haven't bought a bike, get you one. All right, trust me, you won't regret it. Anyways, let's pop it up and get these little kids. Woo! Oh, I love these factory V Ultra V brakes. Hey, kid! Woo! Happy birthday!